Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the YARDCARE V100 robot lawnmower. I've looked through the internet, expert breakdowns, real user feedback, demo impressions and spec comparisons, so I can give you an honest recommendation on whether this robot mower is worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Let's start with the navigation, because this is one of the biggest selling points. Unlike older robot mowers that rely mostly on boundary wires or random patterns, the YARDCARE V100 uses HD vision navigation, essentially a camera-based guidance system that helps it see your lawn layout better. What that means in real life is more efficient mowing patterns, fewer missed patches, and smarter route planning. A lot of people online mention that this kind of system makes the mower feel much more intentional than basic random bump designs, so you're not watching it wander around aimlessly for hours. Speaking of avoiding obstacles, the smart obstacle detection and collision sensors are a solid safety and convenience upgrade. Instead of crashing into garden gnomes, hoses, furniture, or decorations, the mower detects objects in its path and gently navigates around them. That kind of awareness also tends to result in fewer stuck-on-edges episodes, something many users point out as a real quality of life improvement compared to entry-level robot mowers. One practical feature that's worth highlighting is the adjustable cutting height. Whether you like your grass short and trimmed or a bit taller and lush, you can dial in the precise height you want. It gives you more control over your lawn's look and maintenance cycle, and that flexibility is something people appreciate when switching between seasons or grass types. Another perk of this model is its low noise operation. Lawn care traditionally means firing up a loud mower that disturbs neighbors and makes conversations nearly impossible. But robot mowers like this one run quietly, so you can have it mow in the morning, afternoon, or even later in the evening without noise complaints. Users online specifically mention how peaceful it feels to come back to a freshly cut yard without that loud engine sound. One of the big practical questions with robot mowers is setup, and the YARDCARE V100 keeps things pretty user-friendly. It doesn't require complicated wiring or advanced tech skills. Most people have it up and running with minimal fuss after reading the quick start instructions. Of course, taking a few minutes to map boundaries, tweak cutting height, and walk through your yard helps the mower adapt faster, but overall setup is less intimidating than many older robotic systems. Now, for coverage, this mower is designed for lawns up to 1,600 square feet, which makes it ideal for small yards, front lawns, or compact outdoor spaces where traditional mowers feel like overkill. If you've got a larger property, you might want to step up to a more heavy-duty model with extended battery life and wider coverage. But for most urban or suburban homes that fit within this square footage, the YARDCARE V100 handles its job reliably and efficiently. Because this is a robot mower and not a ride-on or heavy push mower, it's not built for super thick grass fields or commercial turf. But for most homeowners with everyday grass cutting needs, it's more than capable. It's also worth mentioning that regular trimming, instead of letting grass grow tall, helps the mower navigate and cut cleaner, which is true for most robotic mowers. After reviewing specs, expert impressions, and real user feedback online, I personally think the YARDCARE V100 robot lawnmower is absolutely worth considering if you want a hands-off, smart, efficient mowing solution for small lawns. It's packed with navigation tech, obstacle awareness, adjustable cutting settings, and quiet operation, making yard care easier, quieter, and less of a chore. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.